So I got bored of my white hair, so I decided to do the Narcissa Malfoy hair trend. Basically, I'll be coloring the top of my head with dark brown and letting the rest my whitish color. I will be bleaching it also dark brown and also bleaching. Don't know how it will end up. Maybe it will be shit, maybe not. I just got kind of bored with my white hair. I had my white hair for like 6 years on and off, and now it's the off time, so so yeah, I want to try the trend. I'm curious how I look with longer dark hair, because I haven't had this much hair since I was a teenager. I hope you'll enjoy the video, and I guess let's get to it. This is my little kitty cat helper. These are the colors I will be using. It's just like some cheap drugstore hair dye, so wish me luck. As you can see, my hair is ready. We shall begin. It looks pretty much silver, which is not what I'm going for, but you know, we will see. Like, hair fails get more views, alright, so yeah. This is the color I'm using. Cheap shit from drugstore. Now we are going to do the top of my head and then washing out, but first let's do the color. Basically, the other phone died. We are on a new one. This is my hair wet. The white didn't go as white as I wanted. It kind of turned like silverish or whatever, and the roots are quite orange or yellowish, so I have the rest of the color I used and some old leftover bleach, so we'll combine them probably and do one more round of bleaching, and I will show you the result then. This is how it looks now. We have a comparison. So this is how it turned out. Yeah, I kind of like it. Do you guys like it? Do you hate it? Do you whatever? I wanted lighter brown color, like I wanted dark brown but not this blackish brown, but I think it will wash out. The white, I think it's pretty okay. I was worried it was gonna be yellow or kind of too silver, but I think this will do. Not the hairstyle I would go for, but I wanted to let it kind of air dry, and just I added some waves so I could see or whatever. And tomorrow I want to go to the town and put some actual hairstyle on and kind of style the hair I would do and show the hair on the sun so you can actually see how it turned out. So I hope you guys liked it, and I hope you had fun. I hope you try this hairstyle, even though I don't think many people will go from white color to dark color like this, but yeah, if you do, tag me, comment, show me, or if already someone's done it. I haven't found any videos like this before, so yeah, thank you for watching, and